Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can insert a text box on the header in Microsoft Word. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. Let's open Microsoft Word first to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document. Now from here, we need to simply double click on this blinking line, double click. Okay, and we can find the header. So once the header is open or is visible, we need to simply click on the insert tab to insert a text box and click on text box. Now usually you have a lot of options from here, but let's go with draw text box so that we can go on with the desired shape, length, and width of our text box. Just need to simply drag the plus sign symbol and draw your text box to the desired requirement or preference that you like. And then let's just type in here. Just need to type your header and then go back to home tab. Put this on the center. Increase the font size. Make this bold. And that's it. That's how you can easily insert a text box on the header in Microsoft Word, okay? So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.